The Wall Control 30-P-3232R Pegboard Pack uses thick steel panels that feel far sturdier than traditional fiberboard pegboard and easily handle heavy hand tools. Its baked-on red finish is both attractive and highly resistant to scratches and rust, so the panels still look clean after years in a busy garage or shop. The combination of slots and round holes means it works with both slotted accessories and standard 1/4-inch peg hooks, giving you a lot of flexibility in how you hang tools and shelves. Because the panels are magnetic, you can also stick magnetic trays, labels, and small parts organizers directly to the surface for quick access. The built-in flange spaces the metal off the wall, so installation is straightforward and does not require building a separate frame or backing structure. With two tall panels that can be used together or separately and expanded later, this system makes it easy to grow a tidy wall-mounted storage layout as your tool collection increases.